You're probably wondering, why do pro players always have a health coach or someone that makes them food? Is it really important to consume a healthy diet in order to perform good in games? There is a reason why they give so much importance to the diet. But how much does it really impact your skill? Hello everyone, Blink here. I'm a coach and content creator with the goal of helping you improve at gaming, applying the latest research in science. And in this video, I will show you the best foods that you can consume daily to improve your brain performance, and by doing so, improve your performance during games. Many of us tend to forget what we put in our body, but you have to remember that that is directly correlated with how we perform during games. What foods you eat can directly impact your focus, stress levels, mood, memory, and even reaction time. Many coaches try to work with the players to find what diet suits every player, as diet can be something very specific. But there is specific foods that you can add to your current diet and they will boost your mental performance. So without further ado, let's go over the list of foods. Fish are rich in omega-3s. Omega-3 fatty acids are polyunsaturated fats that your body uses as components of cell membranes. They also have powerful anti-inflammatory functions within the body and are well known for their critical roles in human brain development. There are three main omega-3s, DHA, EPA, and LAA. DHA being the most important and useful form of omega-3 for humans. Your brain uses omega-3 fatty acids to create cell membranes of brain cells, preserving cell membrane health and facilitating communication between brain cells. The following study found that the 30-day supplementation of omega-3 improved mental performance in young adults. These fatty acids are also vital for maintenance of normal brain function throughout life. In older adults, lower levels of DHA in the blood have been associated with a smaller brain size, a sign of accelerated brain aging. So as you can see, the thing with omega-3 is that you run into cognitive impairments when you don't have sufficient levels. In other words, your brain will not perform at its best if it doesn't have omega-3 to maintain optimal cell function. For vegans and vegetarians, try to consume higher amounts of LAA from nuts, seeds and oils, but also have a DHA-EPA supplement from algae. 250 mg of DHA and 150 mg of EPA daily is enough for brain performance. Gaming, and especially competitive gaming, can sometimes result in a lot of stress or negative emotions. That is why it's important to maintain a good mood during gaming sessions to avoid getting into a tilted or emotional state, which will overall improve your quality of gaming. There is two important nutrients that can help maintain good mood: tryptophan and tyrosine. These two amino acids are used by your body to create important neurotransmitters like dopamine, serotonin, adrenaline, and noradrenaline. Tryptophan is a nutrient that has been shown to improve your mood, reaction time, and energy levels, while tyrosine has been shown to improve mental performance during stressful situations. Nuts and seeds that have high tryptophan and tyrosine content include the following: pumpkin seeds, peanuts, sesame seeds, and chia seeds. In addition, long-term intake of nuts and seeds was associated with better cognitive function across all cognitive outcomes. It's not the first time that I've mentioned blueberries in this channel. In my video on how to improve your reaction time, I presented several studies supporting the intake of blueberry for improving several cognitive domains, including reaction time. Berries contain a natural compound called flavonoids. Flavonoids are found in some fruits and plants and are a potent antioxidant. They have been shown to improve mental performance, mood, memory, and alleviate depression symptoms. They have also been shown to delay the mental decline that we experience as we age, for up to 2.5 years. What's most remarkable about blueberries, or berries in general, is their ability to help you fight mental fatigue. We all know that gaming during several hours can be mentally draining, and as we get more and more fatigued, our performance drops. This study has found that a smoothie containing blueberry, strawberry, raspberry, and blackberry helped participants maintain and even improve mental performance during a 6-hour period of a demanding task. Plus, a smoothie of berries is extremely tasty and it looks really good. And if you're a fan of taking pictures of food like me, please take a photo of your meals and tag me in Twitter or share it in my Discord server. I'd love to see what you guys are eating. There's a reason why your mom and your coach always tells you to eat your veggies. They have several benefits for your overall health, and when it comes to mental performance, they are even more important. Apart from improving your reaction time, dark leafy vegetables also help improve most markers of mental performance by improving your blood flow to the brain. They do this thanks to a compound called nitrates, which your body then converts into nitric oxide. This is then used by your body to relax and open your blood vessels. Improved blood flow to the brain means more nutrient and oxygen delivery, which is translated into better mental performance. But this is not the only benefit of dark leafy vegetables. They also help delay cognitive decline with age and protect against cognitive impairments. And the neuroprotective properties of dark leafy vegetables has been associated with better mental function. Two also important nutrients that are present in dark leafy vegetables are lutein and zeaxanthin. They appear to improve neurocognitive function by enhancing cerebral perfusion. Legumes like beans, lentils, chickpeas, and many others have been shown to improve mental performance. They also remain as one of the healthiest foods that you can consume, as they pack an enormous nutrient-rich content. Among these nutrients, there is a specific group of vitamins that impact your mental performance the most. These are the V vitamins. V vitamins play a role in maintaining good health and well-being. As the building blocks of a healthy body, B vitamins have a direct impact on your energy levels, brain function, and cell metabolism. Dietary intake of V vitamins was associated with speed of processing, recall and recognition, and verbal ability. After doing some research on how specific foods impact your brain, I noticed that there is an element of the diet that can pretty much ruin your mental capacities, and that is sugar and saturated fats. Both sugar and saturated fat have been shown numerous times to induce cognitive deficits. They do this to your brain through oxidative stress, insulin resistance, inflammation, and changes to vascularization. So, even when adding new healthy foods to your diet, the consumption of sugar and saturated fat needs to be in check so that you don't work against your brain. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this one. Thank you for watching already.